What's up, YouTube? This is Page Tech Guy, and today I'll show you how to upgrade your tvOS 10.2.2 into 11.3 using your shshblobs and future restore. Now, let's begin. Open your Safari browser, type in ipsw.me. From here, pick Apple TV, Apple TV 4, and then we need to download two firmwares from here, 11.4.1 and 11.3. Since we're upgrading 10.2.2 into 11.3, so we need this firmware. At the same time, the reason why we're downloading 11.4.1 is because we're going to extract the ZEP file and the build manifest for this one. So all you need to do is click this and download. I'm not going to do that anymore since I already have it in my system. Do the same thing on 11.3. You need to download this and save it to your desktop. As much as possible, save everything in your desktop. So after that, we need to go to your desktop and create a folder. Just this folder. You can rename yours whatever you want, but that's all you need to do. So create your folder. As far as you can see right now, I have all the files in here, but I'll show you how to get them. Okay. Next, for us to be able to extract the ZEP file and the build manifest from this firmware, we need to change this into zip file. So by doing so, you need to right click this, click rename, change IPA into zip file, then click enter. Use zip. Now we have the zip file. Double click or right click it, open with, double click. What am I thinking? I need to extract it first. Okay, there you go. We have the extracted folder. So from here we can grab those two files that we need for the whole process. Open this extracted file, and then from here we need to save build manifest to our desktop. Drag and drop, and then for us to get the ZEP file or the ZEP firmware, we need to double click this one and then double click all flush. As you can see right now, we have two files in here that's the same file, ZEP firmware .im4p, and the other one has a plist. What we need is this .im4p. So grab that, move it to your desktop. Now we're good. We're all set for that. We actually don't need this anymore. So as I said, you have to create your you have to create a folder in your desktop and compile all those files that we need to use for the upgrade. So as you can see right now, I have this ZEP firmware here, the build manifest. So basically I don't need this anymore. Next thing we need to do is don't forget to include your shshblobs on this folder. And this is my shshblobs that is specifically for my Apple TV. But first we need to get the key generator from this shshblobs so we can set the nonce for the Apple TV. So how are you gonna do that? Right click your shshblobs and then click open with, go to other, and from here we're gonna open that using text edit. Open. I'm doing this to get the key generator. So from here you have to click find and type in string. Click enter. Another one. There you go. That's what we need. It's start on 0 dot blah blah blah, whatever you have in yours. So you have to copy this and save it somewhere else, somewhere safe on your desktop or whatever you want to save it, whenever whatever you want to save it. Okay. Exit that, and I save my nonce in here, the key generator. Next thing we need to download, so we have the SEP firmware, we have the build manifest, and the 11.3 firmware restore. We have the blob. The last thing is we need to download this Future Restore Mac OS versions 173. Actually, I tried some Future Restore from GitHub before, but it seems like some of them doesn't want to work with this grade. So I got this from another guy from YouTube, and this is the one that actually working. So I cannot find the link anymore, but I will share this using my Mega account, my Mega Cloud account, and I will include it on this video. You can find the link below. This is what you need, right? So as I said, we need this file to do the upgrade. We need your blobs. Next, we need the 11.3 firmware. Third is we need the build manifest from your 11.4.1 firmware. At the same time, we need the Future Restore itself, your key generator, and the SEP firmware from 11.4.1 firmware. So I think we're good to go. The next thing to do is to set the nonce on your TV. So we're gonna head up on my Apple TV, and as you can see right now, it's connected to my Mac. First thing I need to show you, I will show you that my tvOS version is 10.2.2, right there, 10.2.2, and it's been jailbroken by KB's tool Backroom. This Backroom is designed for tvOS 10.2.2. Right there. Nito is working good. Code installed properly. There you go. The next step is to set the nonce for this. So this is how you're gonna do it. We need to SSH. Oops. We need to SSH on our Apple TV. By doing so, you have to get your IP address for your Apple TV. Now you're gonna do that. Go to settings. Go all the way down to network. Then your Wi-Fi. And then click that. That's your Wi-Fi. and this is what we need, the IP address. I mean, it's not going to be the same as yours, but this is the one that this is my IP address. Okay. Go to Spotlight Search, and then type terminal. Then from here, you type in SSH space root at whatever IP address you have on your IP Apple TV. Mine is 192.168.3.14. All right, click enter. It is possible that someone is doing something nasty. Host key verification fail. Normally this happens when you have multiple IP address. So I'm gonna fix this one first. It's not part of the video, but lucky for you guys, came out, so it's an additional info in case you experience this kind of problem. So, let me head up on my Mega account first. I have the instruction on that, on how to fix this. All you need to do is reset your key. Come on, open it up. I don't know which one. I believe this is the one. Okay, let me try this one. SSH / keygen. In case for you guys who are experiencing this kind of problem, this will resolve it. 192.168.3.14. Okay, there you go. Now let me try again to SSH to my Apple TV. SSH root at 192.168.3.14. Just verify that. Click enter. There you go. See? Extra fix for you guys in case you encounter that. Okay, and then put Alpine, which is the password. Then from here, you gotta have to type this in for you to be able to set the nonce. NVROM space auto no, that is one yet. NVROM com dot apple dot system. Make sure that S is capital. Dot boot nonce and equal, and then your key generator. My key generator is, remember, you have your own key generator. This is just part of a demonstration wherein this is my key generator. 0. You cannot use this for your Apple TV. X6 DD 4000 AB 405 B 843. Let me just verify that. 0x6DD 4000 AB 405 B 843, and then press enter. The next one is NVRAM space auto boot equals false. Just see what's gonna happen on your Apple TV the moment I press reboot. Okay, let me just check. Boot NVRAM space auto boot equals false. Click enter and then reboot. Type reboot. Boom. See, this is what happened after I set the nonce and reboot my Apple TV. As you can see, Apple TV is in a restore phase right now, and all I need to do is run the command line so I can restore this Apple TV to 11.3. So the next thing we need to do is set all this this command line, so we'll be able to upgrade our iOS TV 10.2.2 into 11.3. Alright, from your terminal, type in cd space and then drag and drop future restore on that and click enter. Now we're already in that folder. The next thing we need to do is open your future restore, drag this future restore in your terminal, then type that T space and then your blob. Get your blob and grab it there. Next is does S right there, does S space and then your sub firmware, this one, save it there. Next is does M space and then your build manifest, drag and drop it there. The next one is does W, and from here you have to click your 11.3 restore IPSW and drag it there. And the last one is does NO does baseband. you gotta have to check everything first before you hit enter, because the moment you hit enter, the process of upgrading your Apple TV will start. It'll probably take like 2 3 or most 5 minutes, it depends, but from there you'll be able to restore it. So as you can see right now, I'm on my future restore folder, and then I drag the future restore file on it, and next is my save file that I extracted from 11.4.1, and then the build manifest plist. Afterwards, the firmware that I want to restore it, which is 11.3, and the last one is no baseband. And from here, all you need to do is click enter, and the whole process will start. See, the Apple TV just rebooted. And you see that Apple TV stopped blinking now. I mean, the RAM done blinking. So now it's doing is procedure on upgrading your or restoring it to 11.3. And as you can see from here, still running the restoration thing. Soon the Apple TV will show up in my Mac, and it should be in 11.3. Then all you need to do is just set it up, and then after that you can go back to Gold Star or Nito TV and download the 11.3 jailbreak, and then you can jailbreak your stuff, your Apple TV. And good to go. Look at that. It's ready. Look at that. So let's see. I'm just going to verify it just to make sure that it's been upgraded already. English. Japan. Continue. Use Siri. Manually. Sorry about that. Boom. I know that quick screen just hang, but as you can see right now, this is the Apple TV that I have, and it's running on a 11.3 right there. Okay, so from here you can actually just go to nito.tv if you want to jailbreak your Apple TV to the new Electro tvOS jailbreak. So you'll be able to leverage your your Apple TV and enjoy Kodi. All right, so I guess that's it. Again, this is a PH Tech guy, and hopefully you enjoy my video. If you have any question or suggestion, just don't hesitate to message me or hit me on my Twitter account, and I'll be welcome to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, just hit the subscribe button and that small bell so you'll be notified if I'm going to make another video, which I will definitely, because I love doing tutorials. I love sharing this kind of things to other people who doesn't know how to do it. Again, thank you, and signing out. Peace.